Well, hello. It's about 5:45 in the morning. I've been up all night. Watched a bunch of X-Files, and I watched a movie. Well, me and Lydia watched a movie, and then I watched another movie. So I've just been watching stuff all night. Well, Lydia did eventually get some sleep. Oh, but I've been up all night, and I'm tired, and hopefully we'll be able to go home soon, like within the next hour. Just sitting around and waiting for someone to show up for work, so that when they show up for their work, we're done our work. Morning. So back at Lid's, we had to wait around a lot longer than we thought we were gonna have to. Didn't end up leaving there till like a bit after 7. But we're home now, just a bit after 8. And it's time for me to get some sleep. I don't know if Lydia's gonna rest a little bit, cause she got a fair amount of sleep. I mean, it wasn't exactly the best. But yeah, I'm probably gonna go to bed for a while, and I don't know if I'm gonna be doing that again tonight or not. I have no idea, so I'll know when I know. Anyways, I'm gonna go to sleep. I don't know what Lid's gonna do. Lid, I know you're right out the door. Hi.
Hi.
You gonna go to sleep?
I might have a little bit more, yeah.
Yeah? Okay. I'm definitely gonna sleep.
I know.
Okay.
So, Doctor. Hi, Doctor.
You gonna sleep, buddy?
Are you happy to see us? Are you happy to see us? I want to cuddle you. Good night. I mean, good morning.
Oh, Arthur, you big suck.
Hey, guess what, Arthur? Guess what? Guess what? We're going to Ottawa tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow, Arthur. Oh my goodness. I don't know what day.
Our days are really messed up. This is, yeah.
Like yesterday Sarah called. But it wasn't yesterday.
Yeah, it feels like it's still today. Today still feels like Wednesday almost, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's weird thinking. Yeah, because just saying, today's Thursday.
Horrible.
Yeah, that's confusing.
Today's not Thursday.
No. Alright. You do whatever. I'm going to bed.
I planned yesterday.
You planned what?
Trip to Ottawa.
You like wrote out stuff?
Wrote out lots of information for us.
Things that we need to pack and all that jazz.
Yeah. So we'll execute our plan sometime today.
Yeah, not right now.
You need to sleep.
I need to sleep.
I need to sleep.
Arthur needs to cuddle. And look cute. Alright. Oh. I'm going to sleep. So I just had a really big sleep. That was good. Probably got a good like 7, maybe even 8 hours. Like my head kind of hurts, but it was a good sleep. It was much needed after being up all night. Lydia got not as much sleep, but she also did sleep a bit last night, so kind of evened out, I guess. Now she's getting ready for our trip to Ottawa tomorrow. She's like all getting things ready, packing up and making sure we got everything that we want. And me, I gotta go to work again. Yeah, so they need me again tonight, which I'm gonna go for. Lydia's not, so I'm just gonna go by myself once one of my parents gets home with a car so that I can actually go there. And that'll be it, because obviously I can't do it tomorrow night because I'm gonna be in Ottawa. It'll be nice. It'll be actually really good because, you know, without having a job, cash flow kind of really sucks. And, you know, we kind of want to enjoy this weekend a bit. So having at least a bit of pocket money is pretty good. Pretty good. And also, you know, just to kind of enjoy the rest of the summer as well. Unfortunately, having fun and like doing things that are interesting costs a little bit of money. So I'm getting ready to go, making sure I have food and stuff, and I'm getting a couple movies on my computer, just transferring stuff over. So I have something to do while I'm there for the next 12 hours. You know what? It's not a bad job at all. Like, I don't know. I wouldn't necessarily want to do it every night, but you know, it's good enough for kind of a little bit, like maybe for like a week's worth of work. You know, it's something to do. You just go somewhere, you sit around forever, and you stay awake, which, you know, I kind of tend to do that anyways, because I got horrible sleep patterns, but it just sucks, you know, because I can't actually be like at home. I wish I could have the internet. That'd be much better, because I could just like watch YouTube all night. So, but alas, money is money, which is really good. So, I guess I'm gonna go do that. I also decided to make myself a little bit of like a lunch / snack, which is just Cheerios, cranberries, sunflower seeds, and pine nuts. Yeah, Arthur, I know. It's pretty good.
I made that.
Well, yeah, but I made it this time.
A couple days ago, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And I gave you the idea.
Mm-hmm.
It was really good, really good. I like craisins. And...
Yeah, it's kind of like a trail mix.
Uh-huh.
Pretty good. You're making a mess.
I dropped one thing. Maybe.
Maybe. Arthur.
We dropped something, Arthur. Find it.
Anything?
He's looking at my hands.
Look right there. Anywhere? Anything?
Nope.
Nope. All right.
Haha, I didn't make a mess. So Sean is off heading to work, and that leaves me to do my own job, getting us ready to go to Ottawa tomorrow. It's fine. It's doable. Because you only need a night to make sure everything's gathered anyway. I just like to do stuff in advance. So it's a little weird that it's going to be tomorrow and I'm not doing this like a few days ago like I thought I would have. And I'm solely in charge of this operation, which is good and bad. Good because I do a lot of the work and Sean doesn't really think of what to bring. I'm the one that packed him for his vacation. But bad because I am a paranoid packer. So I'm like, I think of a million different scenarios of what everything could happen and what you would need. And when I talk to Sean about what we should and shouldn't pack, he usually says, no, we'll never run into a situation where we'll need these. Or something. But it'll be okay. I'll try to keep down the paranoia packing. Can't promise anything, but better to have it than to be in a situation where you're like, dang, I wish I had that.
Alright, so I got my computer all set up. I'm nice and comfy. Got this couch to relax in, and I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna watch X-Files all night. Slowly making my way through that show. And that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna watch X-Files. I'll probably get through a good, like, 12 episodes. Well, you know, each episode's like 43 minutes long, and I'm here for like 12 hours pretty much. So yeah, I'll obviously get through at least 12 episodes. So we'll see, unless I stop to do some other things in between. Maybe watch a movie, or I don't know, play some Game Boy or read a book. We'll see.
Hi, Arthur. Are you ready to go on vacation? We're gonna go to Ottawa. So, starting to pack some of the things that I know are going in, mostly mines, and then guessing on some of Sean's stuff. And I'm very proud of myself here. I made a sweet little bow. It'll just be a tiny little gift for Sarah and Dave. This is a nice thank you for inviting us and having us over. And it looks awesome. So yeah, there's not much going on here. Sean's sitting bored. He wishes he brought more food because it was kind of last minute when we found out he was going, so we didn't get to pack him some snacks like we would have wanted. So he'll be hungry as soon as he gets back home at around 8 a.m. and that's gonna be a long time from now. Just about 10 hours until he'll come home. Like 9 hours until he'll probably be done, depending on when a person comes in to relieve him, and then an hour for him to get home. So pretty much 10 hours I'll see him.
Sometimes I hate my brain. Just 'cause, I don't know, I must have heard some noises and my brain turned it into more noises, and yeah, so I just went on like a big like perimeter checking everything. Everything's fine, but I'm a little creeped out. But it's all good. It's all good. I'm just a big wuss. My mind likes to play tricks on me. Also, marathoning X-Files probably wasn't the best idea. Okay. Well, I guess I gotta wait out the night. Yeah, I got another like 6-7 hours. Oh well. I guess it's good that I'm not gonna try and go to sleep, because if I was gonna try and go to sleep, I'd probably be more creeped out.
Alright, so I've prepped and packed and organized what I could, and do the rest tomorrow morning, and then we're off. But first we need to get a good night's sleep. Right, Arthur? Good night.
Alright, well, time to stay up all night and creep myself out even more by watching more X-Files. And possibly hearing random noises. Yeah. Good night.
Hey! No, don't bite your butt. I want to film you. Hey, Arthur! No, stop biting.